Hey YouTube, RPM Auto here. Got a video for you. Are you sure this is recording? Numbers ticking off. Yeah. Okay. This is gonna be on these bags. These are Victorinox little carry bags. I think they're like a travel bag, but they were like 15 bucks. And I think you can get these anywhere like Kmart or Walmart, whatever. I got these at a local store here, but they're only $15. So I thought they'd be perfect. This is my first aid kit that I've finished finally. So I keep everything in there. It's got several compartments. I'm not going to take this one apart. I'll show you my other bag. There's just too much stuff to unpack in here. There's my range bag. Isn't that full? So I got a black one. This is my range bag. I keep my IFAK on top here. When we go to the range, it's good to have this little emergency med kit. It's got some zipper pockets. I keep ear protection in this one. Got one on both sides. I keep a flashlight. I keep my Mosin stuff in there. Deck of cards in case we get bored. Flashlight. Some more ear protection. And then on the inside, I'll show you. Just some tools, scissors, tweezers, stuff like that. So then this compartment opens up. I keep some gun cleaning cloths, silicone cloths, Target, Ziploc bags, little spent shells in there. And then inside here is another zip pocket. And I keep some snap caps for my guns, like a toolkit. It's got torque bits, snap caps for my kids, 20 gauge, my 9mm, which I haven't really used much. And some other tools, locks, things like that. Oops. And then on the other side, it's got one big compartment. I keep our ear protection in there. And a little flashlight, my magazine loaders, a couple Clif bars just in case we get hungry, my expandable mount. This is a foregrip, but it's also a bipod. Little eyeglass repair kit. Got a couple of compasses in there, just in case. Anyway, I can grab this bag and I can actually put some ammo in here and just head out to the range with whatever gun I'm shooting for the day and take this bag, and I know I'm good to go with all my ear protection. It's pretty durable. Like I said, it's a big bag and they're $15, so you know, pretty inexpensive. And then I just take my IFAK, pop it on like so. Good to go, and you don't have to go buy an LA Police gear or one of those high-end bags, you know. It's actually and it comes with a strap. So anyway, just an alternative, a bag I thought was good for my first aid and my range bag. So that's what I'm using now. Check them out. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. We'll see you.